Good morning, students. Today I am here with one more video, Information Communication Technology Skills Part 4. In this I have included session number 7 to session number 12. All sessions are covered in this one video. So this is a very important part, because in this some web applications we are going to learn. Let us start this one by one. Session number 7 is there, communication and networking. The basics of internet. So what is the basic of internet? The internet is a huge network of computers around the world. Using the internet you can get information that is stored in a web page on the World Wide Web, www, 3 times W. You can do all this by connecting your computer to the internet. If your computer is connected to the internet, you say that your computer is online. This is called as online. With the help of the internet, you can gather a lot of knowledge which is available on it. The knowledge is stored in a big, huge library, or we can say it is a storehouse called as World Wide Web or the web, www. It is a collection of different websites that you can view if you are connected to the internet. You can also use these websites to buy something, watch movies, read books, learn new skills, then educate yourself, find the best colleges to study further, etc. etc. So this is very important part in this IT era, informatic technology era. Internet, it's a magic, like a magic. So let us see some uses of this internet. In short, I shown you, but let's see in brief what are they. Search information. You can get the latest information about anything that is uploaded on the web, whether it is result news about earthquake, a cricket match, or an election details. Next is their entertainment. You can listen to music, play games, watch the movies, or share some pictures. Email and chatting. You can talk and send messages to people all around the world quickly and very easily. The messages you send over the internet can reach any part of the world in just a few seconds. For example, Gmail and Outlook. Social networking. You can share your interests, knowledge and stories with your family, friends, relatives around the world. For example, Facebook, Twitter. Next, shopping. Shopping, you can buy and sell products such as books and electronic goods over the internet. You can also pay for these products via digital modes of payment such as wallets, UPIs we are knowing nowadays, Paytm, Google's that GPay, then PhonePe, Bhim app, Amazon Pay. Many options are available right now. The online bookings, very important thing. You can book movie tickets, hotels, bus, train, plane tickets, etc. Everything online you can book. By sitting at your home, you can book these tickets. Next is their online learning. There are a number of courses available online. Some are free while others are not. You can do a course on a topic you like or want to know more about it. Online banking. You can do banking operations like checking details of your bank account, or transferring money from one account to another through mobile banking, NEFT, RTGS. By this way, you can use it out. Next one is that how to connect to the internet. Now this picture you can see the computer is there, in between modem is there, telephone line is there, and phone line attached to the cable. Okay, so by this way, as shown in the figure, to connect to the internet you need a device such as computer, laptop, or a mobile. A connection device, that is a modem. This one is there, modem is there. An internet service provider that is the telephone company which provides the internet connectivity using the phone lines or a wireless network. Nowadays many broadband connections are available. Private companies are there in market. They are providing us high speed broadband internet connection that you can get it out. So these things are required for connection to the internet. Now, type of connection. There are two different types of connection. One is wired connection, one is wireless connection. Wired means what? When our computer is connected to the internet using a wire, it is called as wired connection. We use Ethernet cables used for connecting to the internet. So to connect to the modem which connects to the IS. So second is their wireless connection. You can also connect your computer to the internet using wireless technology. So without wire, that is called as wireless. Laptop needs a wireless internet card to connect to a modem with using any cables. Right now we have those dish, and with the help of that wireless connectivity is there. In many campus, many universities, many schools, their campus is Wi-Fi. So that is called as wireless connection. Next one is their bandwidth. This is a very important concept. Let us see what is mean by bandwidth. Bandwidth is the amount of data that can be transmitted over a network in a certain amount of time. To understand wired connection bandwidth, let us take an example of a pipeline or water pipe. The amount of water flowing through a pipe depends on its thickness. 2 inches, 4 inches, okay, like this way. Similarly, the amount of data that your network can receive or send depends on its bandwidth. In case of digital devices, the bandwidth is usually expressed in bits per second, BPS, or bytes per second, and in case of analog devices, the bandwidth is expressed in cycles per second, that is Hertz, HZ. So data transfer speed over the internet or network, including the internet, is calculated in terms of bits per second, BPS. So 1 kbps means kilobits per second equal to 1000 bits per second. 1 mbps, megabits per second, it is 1000 kilobits per second. It is like that memory unit. Okay. So by this way, 1 gigabits per second is 1000 megabits per second. So like this way bandwidth is there. Next concept is their internet browsers. The browser is the software. It's an application which is very important, which is available on your computer or laptop, which helps you to visit various websites. Some examples are given below, like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer. Their icons are shown over here. So these browsers are very important to view, to see the website, to surf on the internet. Without these browsers, we cannot surf on the internet. Let's move ahead. Searching for information. Now the browser is over. How to search an information on the net or internet? Do the steps below to search for information on the internet. Open an internet browser. Anyone. Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, anyone. As per shown in the figure, it is there. Type the topic on which you want information in the search box and hit the enter key, or click on the OK button or search button. So you will start to search the information. Do the steps below. Okay, by this way, to search result having a required information will be displayed. The information means there number of websites will be displayed. Whichever you want, you are suitable to your work, you can just click on that and get the information from there. Let us go ahead. That internet browsing. Next session number 8 is there. Internet browsing. The photo is shown here. By that you can understand the red ball is there in between, and then the PC is connected to number of PCs or servers, we can say. World Wide Web. Now this is very important term in the internet thing. The World Wide Web, or simply the web, is a huge collection of information shown symbolically in figure. It is a vast network of linked hypertext files. the files which are linked with each other and stored on computers throughout the world, that can provide a computer user with the information on a huge variety of subjects. Thus, it serves as a platform through which users can use or share information. It is made up of different ways, that a web page, a web browser, a system to transfer information between the web browser and web pages. So these things one by one we are going to learn. Let's see, first one is their web page. A web page is a document present on a computer that is connected to the internet. Web page. There are hundreds of web pages. Each web page has unique address or location, like the address of a house. We can use the address to see a particular web page. For example, the address of NCERT is http://ncert.nic.in. To view a web page, you need a web browser on your computer. So this web browser is required for that, to see these web pages. These web pages are designed with the help of some softwares, like, not software, we can say the language, HTML, hypertext markup language, like this way. Let us move ahead. Web server, a web browser. A web browser, commonly referred to as a browser, is a software application for using and sharing information on the World Wide Web. Just we have seen some 2 or 3 web browsers. So if you want to see a web page that gives information on plants, you type that address in the web browser in the address bar, then the web page on plant will be displayed in the browser. So there are downsides. So many browsers are shown: Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Apple Safari, Opera, like this. Thousands of web browsers are available online. You can download, you can use it free of cost. Next is the hyperlink. The one term we have just read it out here, hyperlink. Very often there are hyperlinks, means highlighted and underlined words, present on web pages. If you click a hyperlink, it will take you to another part of the same page or to a different page. This hyperlink is like that. Suppose on one page we have made there are the zones of India, east, west, north, south, and we have given hyperlink to each zone. So if I click on east zone, I will enter in that east zone different new page. So in that also again many hyperlinks may be available. So hyperlink means the pages are linked. Suppose I click on that link, which page is linked to that word or line, that page will be open. Okay, next one is that the important parts of a web browser. So this is one small snap of a browser. You can see there are tabs, then here address bar, then refresh button, forward and backward button is there to move easily in that software. We can go ahead or back to the website. So these are the parts of browsers. Let us move ahead to see one by one. Address bar. Now in bracket I have given their shortcut keys. By that shortcut key you can move in that particular area. Address bar, Alt+D. You can type the address or URL, Uniform Resource Locator, of a web page in this box and press enter. The browser will display the page linked to that URL. That particular website web page will be open. Website means what? This is the collection of many web pages. Okay, connected web pages. Okay, the next one is their tabbed browsing, upside which we have seen those tabs. Control+T. Tab browsing allows the user to view multiple pages in the same window, multitasking way. Number of websites we can see simultaneously. So if you want to compare two type of plants, for example trees and shrubs, you can open two different tabs by their ways, like one is of tree, one is of shrubs, then you can just compare it out. Next one is there back and forward buttons, Alt plus left or right arrow keys. These arrow keys are playing very important role here. So Alt button is very important here. Alt plus any key of left or right arrow. These buttons allows you to go back to the last page viewed or go forward to the next page viewed. For example, in the previous example, if you click back arrow On the flowers page, it will take you back to the table of content. Main page it will carry, or previous page it will carry you. Refresh button, very important button again. F5 is the shortcut key for this button, or to refresh that particular browser. Sometimes you do not see the complete page correctly. You can reload the page. Reload the page by clicking the refresh button. You can press either or F5 key on the keyboard. Next one is the steps to browse a web page. How to browse a web page. Open a web browser such as Internet Explorer or Google Chrome to search for information. Put their website or URL http://google.co.in in the address bar. Then type best hill station in India in that search box or search bar. Press enter. Scroll the screen and click on the link for the page you want to see. Number of websites, 1000 lakhs of website will be available after clicking on that search button. Okay, so you will get thousands of websites, then which is useful for you, which is as per your requirement, that you can open it out and you can get the information. So introduction to email. Now next session is there, session number 9. Let's see that electronic mail or email is a quick way of sending messages to people using the internet. Electronic mail is a message sent over the internet from one person to another. It consists of lines of text and images. The invention of email has influenced our lives, and they have become a popular means of communication and fastest way of communication. So how does the email work? Let's see. Files containing videos, documents, spreadsheet, etc. can be sent along with the email as attachments. Email is a fast and easy to use, and it can be sent to the multiple people at the same time. So this is the very fastest method of sending messages. Now let us compare our postal mail and emails. See, there are some criteria I have shown over here. Address. Postal mail address is a street, city, etc. of a geographical location, while an email address is a digital location on a mail computer where you can send or receive an electronic message. You can see there when photographs are shown there, how it is their address to then Mr. whatever that is given from .. Email also there, suppose this ashokrastogi@gmail.com. like this email ID is there, very short and very easily can be pressed. Second option is there, written on, like postal mail is written with a paper and pen. An email is written on a computer or mobile device. Then sent via the media of sending. Postal mail is sent by bus, air, train, while email travels in a digital format over the internet connection. Last is the received in. Postal mail is brought by the postman and dropped into the letterbox outside our house. Email comes into the inbox of receiver's email account. And along with that, it's very fast. Email is very fast than postal mail. Postal mail takes time, 4 days, 5 days, 8 days. But email, at the same moment, as soon as you click on the send button, your email will be dropped in that receiver's email account. Email ID or address. The general format of an email address is local part at domain. An example of an email address is ashokrastogi_1 @gmail.com. An email address is made up of two parts separated by @ symbol. The part before @ symbol is created by the user and is usually the name of the person, for example ashokrastogi_1. This is different for every user. One might need to add numbers or any other prefix or suffix in case someone else has already taken that mail address before him. One person can only have a specific email address that is unique. No one can repeat the same email ID. The part after the @ symbol is a domain name of email service provider. That is the company that provides the email service. Here gmail.com is the domain name of Google. For example, Gmail by Google, Outlook.com by Microsoft, and Yahoo.co.in by Yahoo. So by this way, this email ID or email address is made. Advantage of email. Let's see the very important point now. Advantages. Emails can be sent to multiple users along with the attachments. They are fast as they reach anyone around the world immediately. Free of cost. Do not charge money, and it is environment friendly, and as no paper is used. Let's see that how to create an email account. See this, I will read it out. I will explain these methods, the procedure how to create email account. As soon as this will over, I will create one more video exactly the practically how to create email account. I will create my own personal email account, and that video, complete entire video, I will upload. So you will get the practical idea about this, how to create email account. Let us start with this information. To set up an email account, there are a number of popular providers are available like Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo. So Gmail is run by Google, Outlook run by Microsoft, and Yahoo Mail run by Yahoo. So these photos also you can see. There are different companies available there. Now how to steps to open email account on Gmail. See there, go to www.gmail.com and click create an account. The sign up form will appear. You will need to fill up your name, username, password and other details in sign up form. A password should be at least 8 characters long and contains letter, number, special characters, example $%, hash, @ anything. This will make it more secure because your password it should be very secure. Fill in other details as your phone number, country, etc. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Click the checkbox and then next step is there. Google will welcome you. Then click on the continue to Gmail. This will display your Gmail account page. Session number 11, communication and networking. How to write an email. Writing an email, let us see, it is a free email application, so there is no need of giving any charges to anyone. Let us see there how to write a new mail. To write a new mail, connect to the internet and open Gmail, your account. Type gmail.com in the address bar of Internet Explorer. To start using Gmail, you need to sign in, which we have already created. Suppose type your email ID and password in the given areas and click on the sign button. See, it is shown in as per the figure. You can see that sign in page is there upside. Blue color button is there, sign in. Then click on the compose button on the Gmail homepage. This will open a new message window. This red color button you have to just press. Then you will get a new message, blank message. There you can type the Gmail, type email. Next one is there. See that follow the given steps for writing a mail. Now in that, to CC, subject, main body, like these parts are available over there. So in the to section, write the email ID of the person you are sending the email to whom you want to send the mail. His or her email ID you need to write in this session. Then in the CC section, write the email IDs of all the people to whom you want to send copies of the message. Officially, sometime we need to send such kind of mails. So at that place we can use the in CC. Otherwise it is optional. In the subject, write the topic of the mail. For example, Happy Diwali. And this message should be very small, very short, but understandable. In the main body, type the message you want to send. This will include the salutation in the beginning, main message in the middle and signature at the end. After you type the message, click send. Then after that, clicking on send button, your mail will go to that particular person. immediately. Attaching a file to an email. Some attachment we can do with this email. An attachment is a type of file such as photo or document that you can send along with the email. To add an attachment, you need to click on the attach button. One paperclip like button is there, icon is there. The attach button often has a paperclip as its symbol. When you click on the attach button, it opens up a new window. The window shows you files and folders on your computer. Find and then click on the file you want to attach and press OK. The file will now show as an attachment in your email. The name of the file will be shown next to the paperclip symbol. It means your file is attached. Managing folders. Okay. Now there are at the left hand side of that Gmail account, you will get number of things. Compose is there, then inbox, start, sent mail, drafts. Okay, then downside trash is there, spam is there. Trash means like a recycle bin of our computer, like this way. Let us see one by one these things. There are different folders that could help you manage and organize your emails. The inbox holds emails that people have sent to you. The sent folder holds emails that you have sent to people. The drafts folder holds all the emails you have started writing but not yet completed and sent. The junk or spam folder holds emails that may not be useful. Sometimes it may be malicious items or sometimes it carries some viruses. The trash can or folder holds emails that you no longer need and have deleted. To delete an email, you select an email and then click on the delete button for it to be moved from inbox to the trash folder. By this way it will go in trash folder. So these folders can be managed by this way. Now let us go to see how to receive the mail and how to reply to the mail. If somebody has sent you the mail, how you can see, where you can see, and suppose I want to reply that person, how to reply those mails. Let us see ahead. First is the receiving a mail. Imagine your friend sends you an email. The email will appear in your inbox. So that circle and circle I have done, that can be seen by you. It shows the name of the sender, subject and a title of the main message. It will remain bold till you open it. Click on the mail to open it first. Once you have read the email, you can reply, you can forward, or you can delete the mail. If the invitation was sent to many people, you get another option, that is reply to all. When you click this, the reply will be sent to all the people who received the copy of this mail. You can see these all options are available over here. That is the receiving mail. The next part is there to how to reply to an email. So to reply to this mail, now see this one mail is there which is open over here. That click on the reply option at the bottom. This will open a space where you can write your message. Reply. The email address of the person to whom this email will be sent is already present at the top. Type your reply and click send. This, see in this picture, this all things are mentioned over here. Reply, forward, then reply to all, everything is mentioned. So by this way you can reply to your mail. Okay, once again you just see this picture. In this picture you can see the place where you need to write the reply, and just click on the send button. Even you can attach any file again over here, any image you can attach, and then you can send reply to a single person or reply to all people which are there in previous mail. How to forward an email. So if I want to forward the mail as it is, which I got it, I want to share with my friends or my colleagues. So you can also forward this email to your parents to inform about the invitation. Like when you click on the forward button, see that forward button is available there. forward button, as a space is displayed with the old message copied to it. Old message will be there. You can give the email address of the person you want to forward to and write anything extra if you want to add in that. Then click on the send button. Then by this way you can send this, or you can forward the same mail. You can have the look over here, forwarded message. In that all the details are available, from whom I got that mail, which person has sent me mail, and I am going to forward it to many people. So by this way you can forward the mail. Now how to delete the mail? Suppose I feel that this mail is not useful for me, no longer needful for me, needed me. Then how to delete it? That you can delete the mail by clicking on the delete button or icon that is encircled by red color. You can see there. This will remove the email from your inbox to move to the trash folder. It will remain there for few days before it is removed from the system, until and unless you go in that trash and delete again from there for delete forever option. That mail will be stayed, mail will be remain in your trash folder. So this is about the email. So my dear students, I hope you understand this concept, both things about email also and about internet also. So you need to make email account. Every person is required to mail. It is compulsory nowadays for each and everyone. If we want to live in this technological era, we should have our email ID. So you create your email ID, take your parents' help. For that, a practical video I am going to upload very soon. After this video, I will upload that video, how to make email ID. So each and every step by step practical I have shown in that video. So that also you see, and by following those all steps you create your own email account, and then you can use that email account. So till that time, do study well, stay home, stay happy and stay safe. So till that time, bye bye. Don't forget to like and comment on this video and subscribe my channel. Do study very well, solve all the exercises. Bye bye.